Hello, this is the Asin Law Office. Today, I'll focus on what to expect if you're being investigated at the Suwon Nambu police station. A police investigation isn't just about showing up and giving a statement. It's the first official step where your case is documented. What you say and how you say it here will directly influence the prosecutor's decisions and the entire structure of a potential trial. Criminal cases require different approaches depending on their nature. For theft, the key is possession and intent to return. For sex crimes, it's about consistency in your testimony and objective evidence. Insurance fraud cases hinge on the flow of funds and any accomplice relationships. If you go into an investigation unprepared, you'll likely just give fragmented answers that follow the investigator's line of questioning. These can then be recorded as definitive, absolute statements. It can be frustrating. You might think you explained everything perfectly, but the official record tells a completely different story. That's why, before any investigation, we meticulously organize the facts, timelines, and evidence first. A case that seems like it will end at the police stage can be sent to the prosecutor's office, leading to an indictment decision. This can then escalate to a trial, which might affect your job, professional licenses, or even your immigration status. That's why we don't look at criminal law in isolation. We examine it as part of a larger picture that includes civil and administrative law. The cases might seem separate, but their outcomes are interconnected. In civil cases, the ability to enforce a judgment is often more important than the judgment itself. For debt collection or damages claims, if you start a lawsuit without investigating the other party's assets, you'll often hit a wall at the enforcement stage. It might sound illogical, but it's a harsh reality that you can win a case and still never recover your money. This is why we design an enforcement strategy right from the initial consultation. For real estate disputes or rental scams, we don't just look at the contract wording. We examine the property registration, the priority of liens, and the current occupancy status. With my background as a licensed real estate agent, I analyze the entire contract structure. Similarly, in family law cases, we don't react emotionally. We focus on the long-term impacts of property division and child custody arrangements. I started my practice in 2009 and opened this office in 2014. The reason we've avoided major disputes over case handling and fees is because we prioritize realistic explanations over exaggeration. A consultation isn't a sales pitch to get you to hire us. It's a process for you to accurately understand your situation and clarify your options. We prepare for every case as if it's going to court tomorrow. The police investigation is the starting point. You have to build a solid foundation at this stage to prevent the rest of the process from collapsing. At the Asin Law Office, we handle a wide range of cases: criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative, all with this comprehensive approach. If you need a consultation, please refer to the description below this video. Your likes and subscriptions help us provide even more detailed legal guidance. Thank you.